We have pools of number from 1 to n. So in other words, we have n numbers right here. How many ways we can select one number out of this pool of numbers if we have to make a selection? Okay, so if you say n, you're absolutely right. That is because we have n numbers, so we have n choices to make. Now, we already selected one number, so if we have to continue to do the same thing, and we cannot put this number back in our pools of numbers. So we selected already one, and it's going to stay right here. Now, let's say we want to make a second selection. How many choices we have this time? Okay, remember that you selected one. So if you said n minus 1, you're absolutely right, because we have one less than that. Let's continue this process, and we keep on selecting till we have 3 choices, and then we have 2 choices, and finally for our last position we have 1 choice. Now this is simply called n factorial, which is equal to n times n minus 1, and we keep on doing it till we have 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, we're gonna continue with another example, and let's see, this time we have only 3 numbers. So for our first selection here, how many ways we can select one number out of these 3 numbers? So that's right, you said 3, that's good. So 3 choices for the first one. Now we selected one number here, and we have 3 choices. We could choose any of these 3 numbers. Now for the second one, if you say 2, we are absolutely right, because we have one less than the last one, and finally we have 1, and this is simply called 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2 times 1. So let's continue, and this time we have 2 choices, 2 numbers, I'm sorry, we have 2 numbers, and we are selecting 1. So how many choices do we have for the first position? So you probably know that at this time we have 2 choices, and finally we have 1. So this is called 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1. And the last one, we have 1 number. So how many ways you could choose 1 number? The answer is probably yes, 1. So this is called 1 factorial, which is just 1. And let's look at the last one. Okay, so we have an empty set right here. It's empty. How many choices we have? Okay, so let's see. We have 1 choice, because there's 1 way to choose even an empty set. So this is called 0 factorial. Okay, an empty set can be ordered only 1 way. And let's see what's going on here. At the end, oh, this man is saying at the end I will make a statement. Let's see what the statement is. Okay, I'm going to read that for you. Saying that I'm Mr. Empty, and there's 1 way to choose me. So you may say 0 factorial is equal to 1. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.